Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can allow repost from anyone on X. So let's get started. Firstly, open X app in your device, then tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on settings and privacy. After that, tap on notifications, then tap on preferences. Next, tap on push notification. Then you can see the option of repost, tap on it. Next, tap on from anyone. So this is how you can allow repost from anyone on X. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.